We got plenty of spots to make up. You got Alex DaCosta working with you. You got Todd working with you. And you got Grayson looking out for you. It's gonna be fun. We can only have fun if we drive the car. So let's keep the car on the road.
Keep the dirty side down.
Brother, I love you so much, man. This is the best time of my life. Thank you so much. Love you, man. Hey, run the shit out of it.